why don't you learn how to share our port numbers? So control till they open your terminal for you. You come to ports. Forward your ports. So you have your port number, which is 5500. Copy it. Come back to your VS Code. Input the port number here. Enter. Then you click here. It says private. So you right click, port visibility, make it public. Continue. As are you about to publicly? Yes. Copy this. You copy this port. So you can open it in browser. So there you copy it. Come to your browser. Just type this. And you put it in. And there you have it. So thank you very much. If you find this useful, give a like and subscribe for more.